The messiest person I know is Vicky going to Japan. And my first favorite pair of sneakers, my second favorite pair of
Say,
sneakers, my third, fourth,
okay.
fifth favorite pair. That's all I need. Murakami book. Go live in Japan. साला confuse आ गए हम.
I have 21 questions for you, very quick questions. तो मैं ज़्यादा time नहीं लूँगी. So I'll
अरे कोई बात
shoot
नहीं.
question 1. What is your
Come on.
greatest fear?
My greatest fear
Yeah.
is. What is my greatest fear? is getting bit by a stray dog.
You've never been bit by a stray dog yet?
No, which is why I fear it. I think once I am bitten by a stray dog,
Yeah.
I will not.
Okay. We hope you
That's my
don't.
greatest fear.
Okay. What would be a good theme song for your life?
What would be a good theme song for my life?
Yeah.
Man, this is
Makes
crazy.
you wonder.
Yeah, it does make you wonder.
Yeah.
I think it'll be, I don't know, Dangal title track.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I really love that
Okay.
song. I would love my life to play on that.
Okay. Which fictional character would you be excited to meet in real life?
That's the right question. Okay, I don't know how many people watch anime, but there's this
People
huge
do, yeah.
famous anime called Death Note.
Oh.
And the main protagonist, Light
Oh,
Yagami,
yeah.
who was also the villain. Man, I would be. That's
totally
one character.
understand.
So I don't know who. Please, if you guys haven't watched, go watch Death Note, and you'll know what I'm talking about. Light Yagami is the guy.
Okay. Okay. Which celebrity would you rate a perfect 10 on basis of acting?
Rate a perfect 10 on basis of acting. That would be Ranveer Singh.
Okay. If you could only keep 5 things
Yeah.
that you own, what would that be?
Pairs of sneakers.
Okay.
So that's 5 things.
Okay.
Just my first favorite pair of sneakers, my second favorite pair of
Say,
sneakers, my third,
okay.
fourth, fifth favorite pair. That's all I need.
Okay. Your favorite music genre?
My favorite music genre would be there's this new genre that Punjabi music is experimenting with, which is rap, hip hop, and
Yeah.
Punjabi folk mix. So yeah, that's my off late, my favorite. Otherwise, I'm a huge fan of Japanese 90s hip hop, basically. Like
Okay.
even Nujabes and 90s, all the artists and all. It's a bit off, but yeah.
Okay. Great. What is the weirdest question someone has asked you?
Weirdest question someone has asked me is if my life had a background music, then what would it be?
Ouch. Okay.
No, you said weirdest question, not a bad question. Weird
हाँ,
question.
ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Okay. Your top 3 favorite books.
My top 3 favorite books: Yagna Seni by Pratibha Ray, then The Devotion of Suspect X. Yeah, that's Keiro Higashino. He's a Japanese writer. Then it would be third favorite book would be the first part of the Shiva trilogy by Amish Menua. So actually, you can just count the whole Shiva trilogy in it. But yeah,
Yeah.
these are my 3 favorite books.
Okay. What are you currently binge watching?
What am I currently binge watching? I'm actually not binge watching anything currently. I'm just watching movies,
Okay.
separately. So I'm just catching up on some movies that I might have missed, or if I want to rewatch something. But the most recent movie I watched was Blade Runner, the 1982 original Ridley Scott film. Yeah, so that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Could you live without the internet?
Yes, I would love to live without the internet. If internet would let me, I would.
I totally feel that. What's
Yeah.
your most annoying habit?
My most annoying habit is
not remembering the lyrics of iconic songs.
No, that's sort of
That's not
happens.
annoying, yeah, and
That's
that's
not,
not
and that's
annoying.
irritating for. Are you asking most irritating for myself or
No, no.
irritating for others?
What do you think is the most annoying thing you have that might annoy others?
So I have this weird way of so when I have to narrate a story, like something
Mm-hmm.
has happened, something I've seen, I go into great detail and then I miss out on
Okay.
the punchline of the story. So it's like this. If
Yeah.
there is a like right now what I'm doing, it's I go get
Hmm.
into great detail and then it just loses its meaning.
You
So
yeah,
that's
you
quite
forget
annoying
the
for a lot of
gist.
people. Yeah, no, I don't forget the gist. I just dive into it so deep that I can write a book
Yeah.
on that. But yeah.
Okay. Who is the messiest person you know?
The messiest person I know is Vicky.
He's messy. Okay. Thanks
He's
for
he,
the.
he doesn't clean his room no matter how many times you tell him. Just
Okay.
everything is just kept here and there.
Okay. What's the one thing on your bucket list that you really want to do?
Is go live in Japan.
Wow. I love that place.
I have some connection with Japan, which is why a lot of
Yeah.
things Japan
I
I love.
can.
So like I don't want to go there as a tourist. I just want to go and
Yeah.
live there for some time.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. When was the when was the last time you did something for the first time?
साला confuse आ गए हम. When was the last time you did something?
Did something for the first time.
I think it would be 2 months ago
Yeah.
when I started customizing sneakers.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
So
Okay.
that's a new habit I picked up. Quite cool.
Nice. Are you putting pictures on social media as well?
I did.
Okay, I'll check them out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go check it out.
The most interesting thing you have read or seen this week?
The most interesting thing I have seen is Taro Ke Shahar. It's a great music video.
Yeah. We agree.
Really handsome boy in it.
Yes.
And the most interesting thing I've read is I'm reading a Murakami book which I just started
wow.
this week, 1Q84. So it's quite interesting.
Okay. Worst commercial you've seen recently? I only have 5 more questions for you.
Worst, it's okay. I'm having fun. Have 10. I don't mind. Worst commercial I have seen recently. I've actually not seen any commercials there recently.
The worst commercial you think? Not seen TV at all?
No, I don't watch TV at all. In fact,
people have stopped watching TV now. I think.
People have stopped watching. The worst commercial. I don't remember यार. आजकल everything is commercially तो है मतलब तो किस चीज में तुम क्या बेच रहे हो पता ही नहीं चलता.
One commercial you think is the worst commercial ever made in the history of Indian television or
Oh
media?
God, that's a tough question. That's now I'll have to then this is not a quick question. Then I'll have to get back to you on it tomorrow.
ठीक है. Okay. You can get back to me later. Okay, what embarrassing childhood memory?
Is I mean it's quite common you hear, but it actually happened with me, and it's peeing my pants when I was a kid and blaming it on somebody else. Like I don't know what I was thinking, and this really happened with me. I'm not just saying it. Somebody else also had asked me this, and I was such a stud that I peed my pants, and I was like, I only called the teacher and I said, "Miss, इसने सुसु कर दिया." My pant is wet, and मैं बोल रहा हूँ, "Miss, इसने." I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, that was quite embarrassing.
Okay, your favorite genre when it comes to movies?
My favorite genre when it comes to movies would be I like watching some good dramas. So now it can have a little bit of action also in it, but some good, nice, emotional dramas.
Okay. Which Hollywood or Bollywood actor you fancy?
हॉलीवुड में है ये मोहतरमा. इनका नाम है नेओमी स्कॉट. इनका नाम है नेओमी स्कॉट.
Okay.
एंड ये अभी जास्मिन बनी थी. हम सब अलादीन के दिलों को चीर कर ले गई.
Yeah. Okay. What is the craziest thing you have ever done?
The craziest thing I have ever don't know. What is the craziest thing? Like in what? Are you talking about adventurous crazy or just in general? Because see, the craziest thing, what I feel I've ever done is when we were shooting, and it's not by choice. It's because we had to. Is
Mhm.
shoot in just wearing a t-shirt, shorts,
Yeah.
rain, and 4 degrees in UK for gold,
Oh god.
and play
Oh
hockey
god.
in it. So I think that is it's because we had to do, but that was quite crazy if I think back about it anytime. Even then,
Yeah.
सब बीमार पड़ रहे थे.
We
So
can
that
count
was
that
quite
as
crazy.
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. What is the one dream that you want to fulfill?
What is the one dream that I want to fulfill? Is I don't know, man. I have, in fact, right now things are getting fulfilled as we speak. So it's nothing that
Wow.
I really want. Yeah, but it could be that only. Yeah. Sorry, I'm repeating myself, but just going to Japan.
Okay, we totally
वो
understand your
मुझे
love for
मुझे
Japan.
जापान जापान ले जाओ कोई शूटिंग वूटिंग के लिए.
Well, let's hope कि आप कोई ये इंटरव्यू देखे एंड वो आपको जापान लेके जाए. Thank you for
Thank you.
such nice answer. Thank you for your time.
Thank
Good luck for your
Thank you,
future
Anna.
project.
Thank you for such amazing questions. I don't feel that I repeated anything at all. Just by the way, it was very good.
Thank you. Yeah,
Thank
but
you.
you found my questions weird, so.
No, just one, and that too just to get
It's
back
okay.
at you.
It's okay. Great. Thank you so
Alright.
much for your such a lovely
Thank
time.
you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. You too. Bye.